bad, good.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am shooting a non-traditional Valentine's Day tutorial for you guys. I've been wanting to do a really dark look with some type of dark glitter for a while now, and I was like, you know what, I cut my hair, I'm feeling a little bit frisky, let's do it. I will be rolling out a lot of Valentine's Day tutorials for you guys, so let me know down below what you guys would like to see. Let me know. There is also a giveaway I wanted to let you guys know on my last video using the BHCOSMETICS the Meat Matte Maker. So be sure to check that video out. I will have it linked after this video if you guys would like to enter into that giveaway. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and let me know what you guys think of this look down below. Guys, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Love you guys so much. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with priming my lids, which I usually do all the time and every YouTuber does, just so that way my eyeshadow stays on and I won't look crazy later on at night. Go in with my Anastasia brow definer, and I actually love this product. A lot of people don't like it and I really like it a lot. I think it's perfect for people who are on the go. So now what I like to do is to go back into my brow and just like kind of sharpen the edges a little bit. Some people cut it with concealer and I just kind of like to just go and fix whatever I feel. Okay, let's jump into the eyes. So for today I wanted to do a look with the Meat Matte palette from the Balm, and I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Subculture palette, the controversial palette that everybody hates. Those are not that great, but I don't have a really big problem with it. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Dawn from that Subculture palette and just apply that to the crease area of my eye with a fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. And this is going to be like a smoky eye, so if you want to learn the steps in smoky eye, this is what we do. There was so much there was so much controversy around the Subculture palette, and I personally like it. I don't really have like too many issues with it. Some colors I'm like could be better, but I really like it. Okay, so I'm not going to be taking the shade Mercury, which is that kind of gray shade, and I'm going to be applying that to the eye. Literally just taking a little bit of the pigment at a time and really like hitting it off, because there is a lot of fallout with this palette, so keep that in mind if you're going to purchase this palette. I don't even know if they still sell it in stores. So I know like the controversy around it, so I'm just dipping really lightly into the palette and applying the pigment because I don't want to apply too much and then it doesn't blend out. So I'm just, you know, really working with it right now. Hey, interesting. Interesting. Too bad, but not like the best shadow I've ever blended. But it is going to get covered as a smoky eye, so not really worried. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that Dawn shade and kind of go where the two meet and marry them together if possible, like kind of blend them together, because I don't like how it's like kind of like boom, just right there. Yeah, let me do that. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the shade Matte Wong from the BHCOSMETICS palette, and I'm going to be applying that to my eye. And I'm just going to apply that in the center of the eye. And this is like I feel like it's a kind of like a navy, which I don't ever see in makeup palettes. which is really nice. Yeah, it's a navy color. I'm gonna apply it in the middle and then we'll blend outwards. That's what I like to do for smoky eyes. I kind of like to apply it in the middle and then I take whatever is like on the brush itself. I'll go in with a blending brush. Where is my favorite blending brush? Oh no. Oh no, baby, this ain't happening to me now. What is happening to me? Where's my brush? This is a travesty. Travesty. I don't even know what I'm saying. A travesty. Travesty. Forget it. You guys know what I'm saying. It looks great right now, like in person. Like it looks blended, looks great. But on my monitor, it looks like hell has set fire to my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take some glitter glue from Too Faced, my favorite glitter glue. A flat brush, and I'm going to sweep that all over the eye. What is happening? I'm going to be taking the glitter from NYX Cosmetics. This is the shade Gunmetal, I believe. Yes, Gunmetal. I'm wanting to use this since I got it for a while now. And I just never got the time to. So glad I found the time. And we're just gonna pack that onto the lid. Good luck to me getting this shit off tonight. Take these eyeliners right here from THEBALMCOSMETICS. This is my first time trying them out. I'm really excited because they aren't the KOHL ones, they're the pencil ones. And usually I have issues with like these ones really staying in my eyes. So I'm really hoping these work really good. Applying that to the waterline. I'm also going to apply that to the upper waterline. So now I'm just going to take a smudger brush and just go underneath and just kind of smoke it out. I'm just going to clean up the glitter, which is all over my dang face. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to really give my skin a really nice glow, especially for Valentine's Day. I know a lot of girls like to look super glowy. Go ahead and do that now. My face. So I'm going to use my The Balm Mary Luminizer liquid highlighter, and they just had come out with these. I'm actually going to be giving one of these away, and it is going to be the all over bronzer. Apply that to the highest points of my cheeks before my foundation, because I want to look glowy. They set really quick, so that's why I like to use it kind of before. I wonder what they recommend. It says it can be directly applied for a highlighter effect or in moisturizer, foundation, or lipstick. So yeah, but I have applied it over my foundation and I really didn't like it, so I like to apply it under. And then I'm going to be taking the bronzer. I never really like use a bronzer, like a bronze highlighter before, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna look underneath the foundation. I can definitely let you guys know this shit's hard to blend out for sure. Keep freaking blending my face away right now. So I'm going to go in with a mixture of two foundations. I'm going to be taking my MAC Studio Fix and my YSL All Hours foundation and mixing the two. One, because the Studio Fluid Fix gives me a really pretty finish to my skin. Like, it just makes it look really, really pretty. And the matte one gives my skin a really nice finish too. But since I want to have like best of both worlds, that's why I'm doing both. And one shade is too dark for me. So let's get honest here. Let's get honest, and one shade is too light. So we'll see how they apply on with this luminizer on. I love how my son ripped my beauty sponge, like right on the tip of where I need it. Thank you, Dominic. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and we're just gonna apply that underneath the eye. And I'm using my last legs of my Shape Tape. Now I'm going to be taking my trusty, my BH Cosmetics, it's falling a freaking apart, my BH Cosmetics cream palette. As you see, I always use this thing right here. I love this thing. If you guys haven't tried it yet, definitely try it. It's the BH Cosmetics cream contours. And I'm just going to be taking the warm shade. My Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade, I think it's called TERRACE. And just lightly applying that. I am actually going to put a little bit more highlighter on because I need more highlighter. That's just me. Taking my second favorite glow kit, which is from the BH Cosmetics. This is a 6-color palette, and it comes like this with a huge mirror on the side. I'm going to be taking the shade Dream and Glow and applying that to the highest point of my face. Okay, so we are going to finish off the eyes now. And I'm going to be taking just the same shadows that I was using earlier. So I'm going to be taking that Mercury shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and going underneath the eye. Fix my hair because I look crazy. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star lip shade in Mannequin. So now I'm going to use the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. I actually really like this mist. I think a lot of people don't talk about it enough. It keeps my makeup on all day, and it's really, really cheap. I really like it. So thank you, Pop Beauty, for sending me this. I actually will be repurchasing it. And the mist is actually really nice as well. Alright everybody, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I hope you think outside of the box for Valentine's Day and do something different from the reds and the usuals and all that stuff like that. In the comments down below what you guys would like to see for the next Valentine's Day tutorial. If you guys want to see something simple, more elegant, more romantic, just comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!